The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Please, stick around until the very end. I have got an exclusive free gift for you that will take your results to the next level. Now, let us dive in. Are you sick of grinding out core workouts and still seeing a flat zero results midsection? What if 4 simple moves in the right order could finally give you real definition and real strength without spending an hour in the gym? I am talking visible definition, functional strength, and that wow feeling when you catch your reflection. Stay with me. This is going to change how you think about core training forever. Welcome back, everyone. If you are new here, welcome. You picked the perfect video to start your journey. I am your host, and I have been deep in the fitness world for years, testing every workout trend so you do not have to. Today, we are breaking down one of my absolute favorite core challenges: leg raise claps, cross-body climbers, Russian twists with leg extension, and planks. These are not random moves. When combined strategically, they hit every muscle in your core from every angle: upper abs, lower abs, obliques, transverse abdominis, even your deep stabilizers. Before we go deeper, here is a quick action step. Make sure to like and subscribe to get full access to our latest science-backed videos that will kickstart your health journey. Now, let us bust a common myth first. Most people think core training means endless crunches or sit-ups. That is wrong. Science shows crunches overwork your hip flexors and under-target your deeper core muscles, leading to imbalances and stalled progress. Your core is not just six-pack abs. It is 29 pairs of muscles wrapping your entire trunk like a natural weight belt. They stabilize your spine, power your rotation, and protect you during everyday movement. That is why these 4 exercises work as a system. They progressively load your core through multiple planes of motion. This is not guesswork. It is functional anatomy applied. Exercise 1. Leg raise claps. This is your foundation builder, and you do it for 45 seconds. Let us start with my personal favorite because it looks simple but hits like a freight train. Lie on your back. Put your hands by your sides or under your glutes for lower back support. Raise one leg out to the side at about 45 degrees while reaching your opposite elbow toward your knee. That is the cross-body connection. Clap your hands as you lower, then switch sides. Why does it work so well? That diagonal reach fires your obliques, which are your side abs, while your lower rectus abdominis fights gravity. The clap adds a timing element that boosts neural drive. You need no extra equipment, and there is zero joint stress. Here is your form checklist. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor. Do not arch it. Move slow, 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. Rushing kills the tension. Breathe, exhale on the reach, inhale on the clap. For beginners, keep both feet on the ground and just do the elbow to knee reach. Here is a pro tip. I struggled with this for weeks until I focused on hugging my ribs toward my hips. I felt muscles wake up instantly. A common mistake is rushing reps without control. The fix is to count 1 1,000, 2 1,000 for each phase. Feel the burn? Good. That is progress. Quality sets the foundation. Mentally engage. Imagine squeezing from inside out. This mental muscle link is what separates weekend warriors from results machines. Exercise 2. Cross-body climbers. This is your dynamic amplifier, and you do it for 45 seconds. Now we build heat. Drop into a high plank, hands under shoulders, core braced, body straight from heels to head. Drive one knee across your body toward the opposite elbow, then switch fast. Think mountain climber, but rotational. Here is the science behind it. This anti-rotation move forces your entire core to stabilize against torque. Studies show it activates 30% more transverse abdominis than regular climbers. That is your deep corset muscle. Your form musts are these. Hips stay level. No twisting or hiking. Gaze slightly ahead to keep neck neutral. Steady breath. Do not hold it or you will spike blood pressure. For beginners, do it from your knees. For progression, add a push-up between switches for an upper body bonus. Let me share my story. The first time I tried these, I collapsed at 20 seconds. 6 months later, I hit 90 seconds nonstop. Patience pays. A big pitfall is hip sagging, which causes lower back pain. The fix is to film yourself sideways or check a mirror. Notice how each move layers intensity. Leg raises woke your foundation. Climbers add speed and stability. This progression maximizes total core fatigue safely. Exercise number 3, Russian twists with leg extension. This is your rotational beast, and you do it for 45 seconds. Time to twist. Sit with knees bent, lean back 20 to 30 degrees, lift feet slightly. Extend legs straight out or hover knees for beginners. Inhale to brace, then rotate torso side to side while pumping legs in and out. Here is the power unpacked. Obliques handle rotation. Leg extension spikes lower abs. Bonus: the pump creates metabolic stress for fat burn. Russian twists alone build 25% more oblique thickness per EMG studies. Execution gold is this: feet hover 6 inches. Go higher if advanced. Twist from ribs, not arms. Arms follow torso. Exhale on rotation, inhale on center. Feet on ground for beginners. You can hold a water bottle for some resistance. I used to round my back and feel nothing. The fix was chest up, eyes forward. It should burn sides and deep core only. Exercise number 4, plank finisher. This is your endurance king. Hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. The grand finale. Forearms or hands, body straight as a board, head, shoulders, hips, heels aligned. Squeeze glutes, quads, and core. No movement. Breathe deep. Perfect form activates 100% more muscles than sloppy versions. No hip sagging, which kills tension and also strains your back. Neck neutral. Look at floor. Starting to shake? That is your stabilizers firing. For progress, try side plank variations next level. My first plank was only 15 seconds. Now I hit 3 minutes. Consistency compounds. You have trained fully and dynamically. Total core domination. Better posture. Easier lifts. No more back tweaks. Your challenge: do this today for 3 rounds. Our community is on fire. Join the momentum. You made it. That proves you are serious. Comment below, which move burned most? I read every one. If you're loving this content, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly health and fitness breakthroughs. Please make sure to check the description below. Grab your free keto ebook and, while you're there, click to watch your next must-watch video, or just click here on your screen. I promise, this will kickstart your health journey. Your support means everything. Thank you for watching.